Welcome to the Smartphone ATM. Monetize your mobile device today. Turn your smartphone into a cash-generating ATM that you can hold within the palm of your hand. Everyone today has a smartphone, but how many people are actually making money with them? We've designed a powerful system that anyone with a mobile device can use to earn $100, $500, or even $1,000 per day. How does it work? Well, it's actually quite simple. We have taken mobile applications and linked them to a powerful cash-generating marketing system that sends unlimited $100 payments directly into your Cash App account. There's no headaches, no waiting to get paid, no selling or telling. The system does it all for you. You simply connect with others who have smartphones, and today that is almost everyone. Introduce them to our mobile system by sending them your mobile link. And when they join our smartphone ATM team, you're paid $100 instantly. That's it. That's all. Very simple, and anyone can do it. How much can you earn? Well, your earning potential is endless. How much you earn with this simple yet powerful system is totally 100% up to you. Remember, the more people that you introduce to the smartphone ATM, the more money you will make. This is not an opportunity that you keep to yourself. This is a game changer for everyone with mobile devices, and you hold the master key. Let's take a quick look at our earning potential chart to show you how powerful this system is. Moving from the left to the right, we have our unit costs, the per day, meaning how many people you bring in per day, the daily income based up off of that, and the weekly and monthly income. Let's get started. Let's say, for instance, you bring in one person per day. That is $100 coming in for that day, for a total of $700 for the week, $2,800 for the month. Let's say that you bring in 5 individuals. That's $500 for that day, which is $3,500 for that week, and $14,000 for the month. What if you bring in 10 people per day, which is super simple when you're offering them such a powerful way to make money? Those 10 people will equal $1,000. That's $7,000 for the week, $28,000 for the month. What if you offered it up to 15 people every day and 15 people join? That is $1,500 for that day, $10,500 for the week, and an amazing $42,000 for the month. What if you introduced it to 20 people per day? That's $2,000 for that day, $14,000 for that week, and a powerful $56,000 for that month. What if you introduced it to 25 people per day? That's $2,500 going into your Cash App account for that day, $17,500 for that week, and an amazing $70,000 for the month. What if you introduce it to 30 people? Just 30 people, you have payment proofs now. You can go out and show people what you're making, and they will be more than interested in getting involved. So you share it with 30 people for the day. That's $3,000 coming in daily, $21,000 for that week, $84,000 for that month. So as you can see, your income potential is unlimited. You can earn as much money as you like by simply sharing this great opportunity for others. Are there products attached to the system? Well, yes, there is. Our system offers a variety of high quality, sought after digital downloads. These training materials are in the form of ebooks and can be easily downloaded to your mobile device, tablet, or your PC. Not only does our digital products have educational tools, but they also come with a reseller certificate. So along with offering smartphone users an opportunity to create a powerful stream of income, you're also offering value through further education. How to get started? Well, getting started is fast and easy. Simply click the Get Started Now button below and get signed up. Once you are registered and have your back office link, you simply place your order for your app. It costs $25 and usually takes anywhere from 12 to 24 hours to make it back to your email. This is super simple, guys. Anyone can do this, and you can start making money with us today. So get back in touch with your sponsor and let them know that I've seen the presentation, and I am definitely interested in turning my phone into a cash-generating ATM. I look forward to working with you on the inside, and you have a great day. Take care.